Imagine if you made $290 every single day from free Google images. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you a website that will actually pay you for Google images that are not yours. They're completely free. I'll show you exactly where to get them, how to get them, upload them, and then start making money for free images. You don't have to keep wondering, how do I make side income from my regular 9-to-5 job? How do I eventually free myself from the 9-to-5? How can I get an extra income stream online? And how can I start one that doesn't take much time from me? I'm here to explain to you that you can do this method. It'll take you no more than 10 minutes a day. For just 10 to 15 minutes, we're talking about $290 per day. So make sure you watch all the way until the end of the video so you don't miss any details, because I promise you, if you miss a detail that I explained to you in this video, that it's possible that you mess it up and you don't make your $290. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2021, so you don't want to miss it. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Now, as I promised, the method that we're going to break down in this video is completely free. So put away your wallet, put away your credit card, your debit cards, all that stuff. We don't need any of that stuff today, because everything we're about to go through is 1000% free. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to come over to this website called upload-forever, the number forever.com. Okay, you can see it right here, upload-forever.com. As you can see, this is a website. There's a million, billion, cajillion of them, right? This is a website where you can earn money every single day. But here's the kicker. You earn money for just images. People actually buy images, pictures online. Okay, lots of businesses do it. Entrepreneurs like myself do it. We need images. We need pictures for different things. We need pictures for our ads. We need pictures for our websites. So we'll buy pictures. And this is one website where you can actually upload pictures, images, and you can make money from them. Okay, they actually pay you a percentage of these sales. And this method that I'm going to show you in this video is going to blow your mind, because if you watch to the end, I'm going to show you exactly where to get images from Google, okay, for free, that you can upload until your eyeballs pop out of your head. Like, you can upload thousands of images if you want. You can work on this for 10 minutes a day or 10 hours a day. It's totally up to you, and you can make a lot of money doing this, and it's completely free. Okay, so there's no more complaining about how do I need to spend money to make money. No, that's not true. We're gonna debunk that right here from the door. Now, as you can see, what is Upload Forever? It's the center to upload files and images, which, as well as being free, it pays you so you can make money from home. Very simple, right? How do I earn money? It's a referral program where invited unregistered people get 10% extra profits, etc. And it's pretty simple, right? Low minimum for withdrawal. So whenever you make up to $1, you can start withdrawing the money from your bank account. Simple, simple, simple. And we're going to do just this one or this one, normal membership, for free. We don't need this premium membership at all. Just sign up for free. So the very first thing you need to do is come up here to, oh, not this one. Come up here to sign up, not make money just yet. You're going to sign up. You're going to put in your information. You're going to create an account. Okay, and that's it. And you're going to create your little payment info, because you will be paid. So you need to tell them where you want your money sent. All right, so we're going to just do PayPal or whatever you want to do. All right, so as you can see, they have this little button here called payment proof, and we're just going to see just recently who got paid. Let's make sure that there's people getting paid here, and you can see simple stuff: $12, $16, $1, $1.24. People are not making a whole lot, but that's probably because they're not doing the method that I'm about to teach you inside this video. This guy's making 24, there's one making 34, so it ranges, right? And some of these, I would say most of these people, are very clearly working harder and not smarter. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to work smarter. I'm going to show you how to actually amplify your income and be one of these people making 30, 40, 50, all the way up to $200 to $300 a day, okay? Because this is way too easy, and I know a lot of people probably aren't thinking about doing it this way. Okay, so what we're gonna do, since we know we have to upload photos and images in here, all we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here to Google. That's it, Google. You're familiar with Google, right? Everybody knows what Google is. And we're gonna type any old thing. We're gonna type like sunset, okay? Sunset's a very popular image, you know, picture that a lot of companies use, people like using sunsets, vacation hotels and things like that. You can see here there's a lot of really nice sunset pictures. I really like this one. I'm a city guy, so I like the bridge image and the city skyline. That looks really nice. All right, so oh man, there's another gun. That's another. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted by all the nice sunset pictures. So you can see that there's a lot of beautiful photos in here, and you can upload them, but I wouldn't recommend it. Here's why: because a lot of these are copyrighted, right? We don't want to use them because we could potentially get in trouble for using someone else's copyrighted image. Now, the first thing I want to do here is go back up to sunset, and after sunset, put HD. Okay, HD. So these are high definition images. Even better. The more crisp and clear and beautiful the images, the better. The easier it is to sell images like this, because like I said, businesses want to buy pictures and images, and you know, a hotel might like to buy something like this. You know, so you can actually command more money on that website that upload forever, okay? And here's the final step, probably the most important step. Like, remember, like I said, a lot of these are copyrighted. So we can't and really shouldn't, to stay out of trouble, use all these photos, right? Oh, there's a really nice one. We don't want to just use any old photo. So what we want to do is we want to come up here to tools. And you see this little drop down that says usage rights, okay, usage rights. We're gonna click that and we can see now we have all already highlighted, but we don't want all, okay? We don't want all. We want either Creative Commons or even better, commercial and other licenses, which means that these images are licensed for commercial use, which means that you can use them to make money. Okay, you get that? You can also use Creative Commons to make money if you want. Creative Commons basically means these are not copyrighted images at all. They can be used by the community, you know, namely you, if you want to do that. I like commercial and other licenses because these are specifically licensed out to you to, you know, you can use these over and make money. I like these, but you can always do Creative Commons as well. Works just as well. Let's do Creative Commons and we can go. Oh, wow, this is a pink one. That's nice. It says here licensable, right? We want stuff like this. A really nice, you know, high definition image of like a pink looking virtual reality kind of sunset. It's an interesting picture. But we can click here on save image as if you're on your desktop. We can save it, you know, name it whatever you want, save it to the computer, and now boom, we have it. You know, we can see it in the folder. There it is, right? We have it right there. So when we come back to uploadforever.com and we just click upload files after you signed in, of course, make sure you sign in. This is very important. Do not use any images that violate their you know, their rules here. Nothing like pornographic or like weird and like, you know, illegal stuff. It's kind of common sense, but just don't do stuff like that. You know, regular photos. And then you just come here, choose file. And for my purposes, I'm going to go ahead and upload the sunset, start upload, and boom, there you go. It is uploaded. It's on there. And if I had an account, it would be credited towards my account, but I don't have one right now. But that's it. How long did that take? Let's see here. It took, well, I don't know, 30 seconds or something. Well, it probably took me longer because I was explaining it. But let's say in theory, we were just doing that over and over and over and over and over again. Take like, you know, 15 to 30 seconds every time that I did it. So potentially you could do that for about 10 minutes a day, right? And it starts adding up. Again, imagine if you had like hundreds of photos, thousands of photos in your account, and now those photos are assets. They're actually making money for you while you sleep. And there you have it. That's how you can use Google Images for free to make money online. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you click that like button. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.